guys, so I'm sorry that the camera's bumpy right now. I'm currently holding with my hand and it's really zoomed in, not the tripod. I'm going to be filming a very exciting video today, and it's going to be my apartment tour 2020. I don't know what me and my boyfriend's plans are for future apartments, for this apartment, like what's gonna come. Our lease ends towards the end of this year, but other than that, I don't know what holds for this apartment. But I am going to keep my boyfriend's side of the room out of this, and like just keep in mind it is not a huge bedroom. We are just two people working normal jobs. I work too, so you know, making rent, all that. But we don't have any like decorations around. I mean, we have an aquarium, which you guys will see, but we don't have everything. Like we're not rich, nothing like that. We're not luxurious, so stay tuned. Now keep in mind our one bedroom is all white, so you guys can see every little mark on the wall, so please do not comment on any wall markings in this video because we have a dog, and yeah, speaking of dog. But then you go into here, this is our living room area, and as you can see, you know, we live with the dogs. There's the pile of laundry. We live with the dogs, so it's not obviously the nicest looking thing. You know, we have our things there. This blue thing right over here is where my boyfriend puts his feet up for when we game, the gaming chair. But we have an aquarium right here that we're not using just because we don't really sit often, so we don't really use the couch as much as you would think we would. So we just have an old aquarium sitting there that we don't really use. This is what we called Bernard's Corner. As you guys can see, there is a bone from him, and this is where a lamp used to be, but it is not working anymore, so we tossed it. But this is usually where Bernard goes when he's relaxing. Then you have this, and this is like obviously, as you guys can see, a dresser. It is currently missing a drawer, but this is what we put in front of our slider. I'm not gonna lift up the camera view just because I'm not giving that area out, but the dog usually sits here. We're usually, when we're not home especially, or even when we are home, because he gets to look outside, say hello to people, all that. Then you move over here, and this is where we usually keep our Christmas tree, but Christmas is over, so his bike is over here, and then we just have the AC. And then you have his gaming chair. I can ask him questions. If you guys have any questions on the gaming chair, I can ask him down below, but it can charge things. It has a USB import. And then you just have a sweatshirt of his right here. You have his gaming mic. There's me chilling. What's up? There's the TV. There's the dog. And that's kind of his TV setup. Like I said, we do game, we play Fortnite, all that jazz. That's where he sits his feet. He usually sits right here, obviously. And yeah, we got that stand from that TV stand from Walmart. And then he got the TV from Best Buy before Christmas, so on sale. Then we usually keep a storage bin of clothes right here. So this is where it gets kind of complicated because I can't show you guys his area. But first you have our cat tower when you first walk into the bedroom, and this is the cat tower. There's Buddy right up there. So you walk over here. We keep their food and water up here due to the dog. He likes to eat it and drink it. There's the other one. But it is a very hairy, messy cat tree, bleh. We've had it for over a year now, and we have them on 24/7. Since when we are gone, they are in here because they have their litter box and everything else. Then you have our lamp, obviously, bedroom lamp, and then you have my closet. I'm not gonna go too into detail here because it's not the cleanest, but you just have where we keep our towels and whatnot. You have my makeup organizer, you have my, like, all of my extra stuff and a bunch of mail, you know, the whole jazz. And then you, right here, have my nightstand with my video currently uploading. Is it gonna focus? I don't think I'm gonna go through the trouble. But then you just have my side of the bed right over here, and that is all I'm gonna show you guys from the bedroom because again, a lot of it is his side. But our bedspread is a little messy, but it is from Walmart, and it is a really pretty bedspread, so I love that. So then we walk out and we go into the bathroom, and our bathroom theme was blue. If you guys can't tell, it came blue already. So this is what the bathroom looks like. It just looks like this. Hello guys, our mirror's a little messy. Dogs go nuts. Our mirror's a little messy. I'm sorry about that. Hello guys. Hello. But this is where we keep all of our stuff. This is my makeup and all of my like stuff. This is his side. Clearly there's not much to it, but that is our shower and whatnot. Blue theme, like I said. So we have the blue shower curtain. The dog started going nuts finding a fork, but yep, that's our shower curtain. It is also from Walmart, I'm pretty sure, maybe from Target, but it's blue ombre and I love it. And again, we have the white on blue, which I love. Then you walk into our kitchen, which is not really fancy. It is a red theme, kind of, which is what we've been going for, but this is kind of like the overview of it. You have the sink, all these cabinets, the stove and all that, all this, but so you start over here, and this goes basically an overview and just living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. So I have a very small sink, which I'm not the greatest fan of, but I have dishes, so I put the drying rack over it because we do not have a dishwasher. This is where the Tupperware gets stored, all in there. Then we have kind of random stuff, bowls, plates, cups and all of that. Utensils right in there, as you guys can see. Once again, red theme, our red knives, and then we have a toaster oven and all of that. Then you just have our basic ass stove, came with the apartment, you know, all that. Spices and all that. And then you have this. So yeah, then you have all of this cabinet, which is just kind of more of spices and all that. And then you go into our snack cabinet, you have our microwave and all of that, and then that goes with the dog and cat food and all of that silverware, you know, in there. And then you just have our fridge. I'm not gonna go into that because that is just a fridge. There's nothing special about it, but you have a photo of me and my boyfriend right there for you. It's beautiful. And then you over here, and this is where the cool part comes because it's an aquarium and I've never had one. So, this is our aquarium, and this is the stand. I don't know what type of wood it is, don't judge me. But we do have a turtle in here. There he is, his name is Rio. It won't, there we go. He's so cute, I love him. But he is an adorable turtle. We've had him for, I really can't remember how much my boyfriend said, but we've had him since I think he said April, May. He's about a year old, I think he said now, maybe 6 months, I forget. It was something, a decent amount of time, but he has this whole setup for him and everything. It's amazing. He set this whole thing up himself, but that is our turtle. We have this whole setup going on, and yeah. And then that is a storage closet, and that is everything in our apartment. So I do hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sorry if it was a little noisy, if it wasn't perfect. I definitely have not really filmed apartment tours, obviously. It's my very first home, apartment, whatever. But it will get better as years go on because I do plan on, doing like an empty apartment tour when we leave here, whenever that is, and all this other stuff. And I'm sorry if it wasn't perfectly neat. Like I said, we live with 2 cats and a dog. We both work a decent amount. Like, it's just, we're not perfect. We do our best, we're not perfect. Hello, Bernardo. Someone want to be in a video, finally. You being a good boy. You being a good boy. But that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, I'm sorry that it wasn't like, you know, your normal like 10, 15, 20 minute long video. I didn't want to go crazy. I need to walk my dog, clearly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next. Happy 2020.